If you were looking for one of those videos where I'm telling about them finances, where they tell you how their business boomed, where they tell you about them affiliate take off, but that's not my experience. I guess not as much as everybody else in those videos. With your one tip me can get anybody with less than 500. Okay, look, this is not me being a hater, this is not me being negative Nancy, this is just me being a real, bringing a bit of a realness to this topic. So as you can see in the title, how YouTube did not change my life. Okay, so I've been seeing all these videos about how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers, and I'm wondering, because I'm sitting here and I'm wondering, did YouTube change my life with less than 500 subscribers? Because I do have a second channel that is now not monetized, my skincare channel. That one has 2,500 subscribers, and this channel that I have right now has 118 subscribers. It's more of a lifestyle channel, right? And I've been growing this channel on and off for a very long time. Needless to say, I haven't been as consistent, but now I am consistent. And with me being consistent, I've been sitting here and seeing all these videos. Like when I tell you, I watch a bunch of those videos of how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers, and I'm sitting here and I'm wondering, has it really changed my life that much? And the answer for me is like, I guess not as much as everybody else in those videos. Like sometimes I watch those videos and, you know, a part of me is like, is this cap? Like, are you guys capping, or are you guys just making the video to basically help YouTube to change your life by growing your subscribers XYZ, which is cool. Like I'm all here for it, but I feel like I need to be that, I have to be that one person to bring that opposite side of it, right? So yes, YouTube can change some people's lives with less than 500 subscribers. It can do a lot for them, but at this point I'm not one of those. I will say it, where it concerns finances, I'm not one of those people either. It's more of, if I were to say it changed my life, honestly, changing my life is a very strong word. I guess that's the clickbait, but more to say it changed my life, I would say it added things to my character. It enhanced my character, because now there's things that I didn't think I could do, and now that I'm like, yeah, I can do it. Like I never thought I would get, on my other channel, I never thought I would get 1,000 subscribers, but I did, and it came through consistency, and it basically it gave me all that hope that I thought I lost. It kind of gave me that back, because it's like, okay, so I am capable of receiving certain things and I can do things, right? So it did that for me. Where it concerns this channel, with less than 500, and I've had less than 500 for a very long time now. Like I just hit 118 subscribers. For me, it's more of, it is, I wouldn't say it changed my life with that channel. I would say it is mentally, it's a mental roller coaster, because what a lot of people don't talk about, I understand doing it and, you know, getting all the benefits from it, but what happens when it doesn't work? You know, what happens when your affiliate links them aren't affiliating like them used to? Because in order for your affiliate links to work like they need to work, you have to get views on your videos, and people have to click those affiliate links, right? Because I saw some people talking about that, you know, making money with them affiliate links. But if there's nobody watching the videos to click on your affiliate, if there's nobody watching the videos to click on your affiliate links with less than your 500 subscribers, you aren't making that money. You know, also it is why I say it's a mental roller coaster too, because those watch hours, I know a lot of people can get that, what a lot of people are very good with it and get them watch hours in no time and stretch, because I see people get watch hours in a month, I see people get watch hours in 3 months, I see people get watch hours after a year. But for me, I will be fair, I just start the consistency now for the past probably 3 months. Maybe that's time I just start to consistency, so I wouldn't say my watch hours are gonna go up, but based on the experience with my other channel, it is very, getting those watch hours, it can make or break you. Because my other channel, which is my skincare channel, is still not monetized. Keep that in mind. I got my 1,000 subscribers on it, I'm still not monetized on it, but I was so close to the watch hours. I was like at 3,400 or 3,500, and guess what happened? It started to recalculate. The year started to hit. So because I got some of those watch hours like the year before, as time progressed, I just started losing watch hours. So now that channel is eating away at watch hours on some days, and some days it's gaining watch hours. So, you know, that mental gymnastics of getting your watch hours, like I guarantee you there's a lot of people who can get the watch hours. There's a lot of people who have people watching their videos, but it's not the same for everybody. And even me making this video right now, it's like, all right, everybody else is making this video, and they're gaining subscribers, they're gaining watch hours. So me want to do it too, but I don't want to do it like how they did, because to be really honest with you, if I do it like how everybody else is, I lie, me I tell, I'd be lying. I would definitely be telling some lie. Like, I have to be honest, I'm gonna cap, because I don't have those sweet experiences as them. My experience is, yes, the mental gymnastic, and my good experience will be it's inside. You know how they say, like, you know, there's certain things that's external, there's some things that are internal. My good experiences with YouTube is 90% internal, because if me I continue based on the external, I'll stop, because it ain't nothing motivating about the external here, right? maybe on my Let's Blend channel, my business channel, but this channel, the external, you know, it's going in, it's taking its time, you know. Slow and steady wins the race, I know, but it's taking its time. So I have to deal with the internal motivators and the internal changes that YouTube has brought to me. So if you were looking for one of those videos where I'm telling about them finances, where they tell you how their business boomed, where they tell you about them affiliate take off, where they tell you about how all the brand deals, girl, big up. Let me say this, I honestly, like, for all I know, with the less than 500 and they're getting brand deals, kudos to you, like, good job. But that's not my experience. I don't have no brand deals getting the less than 500, and I'm not going to blame that entirely on YouTube, because you have to have a certain level of consistency to get those brand deals. That's one. So I'm speaking from my perspective. I'm speaking from a small YouTuber who is, you know, with the past 3 months getting very consistent on YouTube. So this is my experience. So I'm not reaching out to any brands to get any brand deal, because in all honesty, I just don't want anything. Like, I honestly don't want to just get any brand deal. I don't want to just talk about anything. I'm gonna tell you something. There's certain things, like, let me tell you something. There's certain things where, you know, you say, oh, do it for free, great, but not some things, yes, but the freeness not gonna be forever. And I will say, I've had brands reach out to me for my skincare business, and it is at its 2,500 points right now with subscribers, and I've turned them down, because it's like, I can't genuinely speak about those brands. Because so with my other channel, I got emails, I think, from probably 2 or 3 companies, and I didn't take the offer, because the first one, you gotta pay me. The first one, like what they wanted, I'm not giving that. Like, yes, I'm a small YouTuber, yes, my views are up and down, but I will wait until my channel is at a point where it's like, all right, may I get consistent views and have some type of influence for my audience before I take a brand deal that's lowballing me just because. That is how I look at it. Listen to me, where my standard is and what I want for this, because a lot of people have it. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and say YouTube is fun. It is, you know, I'm doing it because I love it. I do, but more money. So that means I gotta build up the brand to a certain point where it can be presented to people or companies or whatever to get brand deals that they pay me. I do not want free work, and if I am doing anything for free, it must be something that I'm using all the time. It must be something that I personally want to do, but I am not going to be the consistent free worker. But upon that, I have things to do, you know. I have things, in my opinion, I have bills to pay and things to do. So free work now gonna away as far as I'm concerned right now. This is just what I'm thinking right now. So we're concerned brand deals, like the ones that reach out to me with my other channel, it was an immediate no, because at that point I had probably like 2,000 subscribers, and I don't want the exposure, brother. The type of brand deal it was, the exposure that you're going to give me, they probably even won't even watch my channel, because yeah. So it was a no. The next one, when them did offer me, I don't care if that channel, my other channel, is a niche channel, and you're saying that some videos have really good views and some are pretty low, but it's a niche channel, so that means the people that the audience that's going to watch that channel is coming to my channel for a specific thing, and you want to offer me X amount. I'm not taking X amount. Yeah, I might did need it at the time and probably want the money, but guess what, I turned it down because something else will be there, something else bigger will come, and what you're offering me is not something that I want to take at this moment, and I could be struggling and need the money, but I will still say no to things that I do not want. Correct? All right, sorry for the rant. But with that said, I am not one of those with the less than 500 and that they're getting brand deals. That is not my ministry. That is not my experience, right? And no, first make it clear, no bashing them, I'm not bashing none of them, big up themselves. They did it and they're doing it. But I'm speaking to the ones like me who have the less than 500 and YouTube isn't really changing their life. As a matter of fact, YouTube is probably changing them on the inside and helping them build for the future. That's what YouTube is doing for me now. It is changing me on the inside, and if it work and it grow, then at that point it'll change my life. But as of right now, life not change. You know, internally to improve it, probably have a change in the future. But right now, for me, my experience with how YouTube has changed me to build it's building me for the future. So with everybody telling you how YouTube changed them life and how great it is great platform, but it's not changing my life right now. You know, it's internal, it's the internal stuff I'm going with itself. But for all them other stuff, that's not my ministry right now. And I'm okay with that, because one day I will make a video and say how it actually did change my life with less than 500. Probably, honestly, by that time, no. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today, and I hope you guys take this the right way. I am not bashing those videos. I'm just saying I don't think all of us have that experience. And for the ones who probably watch those videos and said, damn, what am I doing wrong? You're probably not doing anything wrong, you know. It's probably just not your ministry. It's probably just not your time, and maybe your content, another content, forget that type of videos at the moment. So it's not that you're doing anything wrong, it's just not your time to deal with that yet. It's just not your time to receive that yet, you know. So yeah, and to the other persons who are watching it, I'm probably thinking the same thing, like, oh my gosh, less than 500, I just start, what do I need to do? Keep going, because that's all I do. I wanted to say this though. One thing I'll say is the affiliate links as well. With your one tip me can get anybody with less than 500, get your affiliate game up. Now, I'm not saying I make a bag of money, because I make a bag of money off it. That's what I was saying. Like, I'm still not getting the views to make a bag of money off it. But have your affiliate links and keep renewing them until it's permanent. So just have affiliate links, and yeah, and what other people saying their videos, you know, get a digital products and stuff like that. But I'm gonna be so honest with you, some with just a start, and our brain cannot calculate all these other things that people are telling us to do. Digital product, but do this, do that. Some of us, we're just starting and our brain is only on YouTube, and that's okay. Like that's cool. Maybe I know your ministry that like that's your vibe, and that's okay. So I hope this video does well. And look at me making this same video. I was saying people were probably capping in but I put a twist to it. So let's see what it does, and I'm hoping to watch it. I'm hoping to enjoy it. With that said, until next time. You know, you can like my video, you can subscribe, but also guys, if you want to support my channel, you can leave a comment. If you see my channel, and my channel is basically like some lifestyle, some lifestyle, stay-at-home mom lifestyle, stay-at-home mom who's about to work, some unpopular opinion, you know, like things like that. If you're interested in that, definitely subscribe. If you look at my channel and you look at my videos and you're like, ugh, I'm not interested in those videos, then don't subscribe. Just comment on this video and like it. That's cool. Like, I'm cool with that. So like, you don't have to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you're not going to watch my other videos anyway, so what's the point, you know? Yeah. Oh, one more thing, this is not a how to YouTube channel. This is not a channel that's going to be dedicated to how to YouTube, growing on YouTube, nothing like that. So don't even think about it, buddy. Have a good day. Yeah, have a good day, and bye.